Back, you're watching us here on Halftime Report. Even as the markets, shuffling between green and red, the underlying trend, you'd have to say, is better than what it was sometime last week because of the market breadth. In fact, on Monday, we saw that sharp rebound in the mid-cap index. Then we saw market breadth continue in favor of advances yesterday as well. And now as we speak, we have nearly two stocks advancing for every stock which is declining. It is the Nifty, which is mildly in the green right now, just about 6 odd points. The Nifty Bank as well, flat from the lows of today's trading session, up almost 58 points as we speak. And because it is expiry, a lot of people are perhaps looking at, a range-bound trade, primarily on account of with a view to perhaps go ahead and eat the premium that is available. Where is the Nifty at right now? The closest round figure strike is 18,100, and that's where we're seeing a fair amount of action. The 18,100 call continues to see open interest build up, close to around 20 lakh shares added in open interest on that one, with a premium of 92 odd rupees. And the 18,100 put as well is extremely active as we speak, almost 61 lakh shares written for a premium of 45 odd rupees. So what is the strategy that these writers are deploying? Combined premium in both the 18,100 call and a put, which is a straddle, is close to around 120 odd rupees. So they are eyeing a range of 17,980 to 18,220 for expiry. So dips towards 18,000 would be bought into, and moves around that 18,200 and a little over 18,150 may see some bit of selling. Why is 18,220 important? Because it's also the 50-day moving average, so technically it would be a bit of a congestion zone. In terms of stocks, the one stock I'm watching out for is Titan. It's done well all through this trading session, currently at the high point of trade, and it's seeing a lot of long positions being added, not only in this series but the next series as well, primarily with a view to playing the pre-quarter update trend, which is why we're seeing some up move on Titan. Everyone's betting for the company to release a strong third quarter update, primarily because of the festive season and the wedding season as well.
Okay, all right, Mangalam. Thanks very much for that. Titan, in fact, is the top gainer on the Nifty this afternoon. Sudeep Shah of SBI Securities joins in to discuss the technicals of the market. Sudeep, hi, welcome to the show. Well, 18,220 is that next level, which will be marked quite closely on the Nifty. Like Mangalam mentioned, it is the 50-day moving average. How closely are you watching it, and what do you think is probably going to lead it higher if that's the case?
Yeah, good afternoon, Ekta. What we are seeing is that post that fall to 17,800 last week, we are on a pullback mode. The Nifty is on a pullback mode, and now key supports would be around 18,030, 18,050, with a fair amount of writing happening in 18,000 and 18,100 calls. Puts. So what we feel is that this pullback could continue up to 18,250, 18,300 zone, and there could be fair bit of resistance around this 20 EMA zone of 18,300. So this is where the next set of resistance is placed, and I feel that after a pullback, this 300, 400 point up move could end at 18,300, and then once again we could see at some kind of a consolidation between 18,000 and 18,300 in the next week. So overall, the support lies at 18,030, and the next resistance would be coming in around 18,280 to 18,300 zone, where the call writers are placed at 18,200 and 18,300 strikes.
And Sudeep, what would your individual technical picks be?
The couple of them, one is from the PSU banking space, and second one is from the metal space. Now, we've seen PSU bank index started to gain momentum in the last couple of trading sessions. They're the first ones to sustain above the 20 DEMA, and while the bank Nifty has gained 3.5%, PSU bank index has gained around 9 to 10% from the Friday's lows. So the top pick within the PSU banking space would be Bank of Baroda. In this stock, what we have seen is from October's 130-35 zone, there was a big move to 195. And post that, we have seen a correction to 170-172 zone, which around it was the 10-20 day DEMA which is placed there. So once again, with the PSU bank index coming back into a positive momentum, we feel that this stock could do well in the next couple of sessions, and this can be bought with 178 stop loss and 193 as the probable targets. The second pick would be JSW Steel. Now, metal index we've seen is already in bullish momentum, closing It's trading close to its lifetime highs, and it's just trade a couple of percentage away. And a lot of metal stocks, JSW Steel, Jindal Steel, Hindalco, they are outperforming. So within that, we feel that the JSW Steel stock could do really well. The stock had been consolidating between 725 and 755 in the past 3 weeks, and yesterday we have seen a big breakout in that stock with a rise in open interest and volumes. Also, it is sustaining above its key short to medium term moving averages, and we feel that the current up move could go up to around 790, 795 levels with 745 as a stop loss.
Okay, Sudeep, thank you so much for joining us. So that's a technical check on the markets. Let's get stock specific again now. Page Industries is trading in the